sounds like a real hard-boiled man. Do you even know what he looks like?
Every time he commits a crime, he always goes away in his struggle buggy.
Sounds like the town's trying to hi-hat his crimes.
Every time he commits a crime, I always feel a cold wind going through the town.
Hey Chris, I need to go talk to you over here. I have some information that she's actually the torpedo.
Alright, let's go arrest her.
Cuff her.
No, I'm innocent! I swear! Stop!
Man, I can't believe they pitched that dart.
It all started 3 years ago. I was a ticket salesman at Wrigley Field making 2 cents an hour. And then one day a man approached me and said, I need you to perform a hit for me, and I'll pay you $20 million. And I couldn't say no. And ever since then, it spiraled downward, like the wind.
Man, that guy gives me the
Wait a second! That's the real torpedo! You're going to jail for the rest of your life! No!
It's Hotsy Totsy that they sent that villain to jail.
I can't believe I've been in this jail cell for almost 15 years now. They've left me here with nothing. I haven't seen my beautiful daughter and wife. I have nothing to live for. My hearing is going. I don't even have my pair of cheaters. I can't see anything. So I guess it's true then, that the wind never changes.
What?